Take a couple minutes to show you the homemade log jack that I use when I'm cutting trees in the woods. It's nothing but water pipe, black water pipe. The handle end is approximately 5 feet long. I made my own hook out of water pipe. Goes down to a elbow, reducing elbow, and then down to a T. And the ends are quite a bit longer than I would like, but this is a recycled skateboard rail that my son had when he was young. So I used what I had. As you can see, that's just a 45. That's a piece of 1/4 inch that I cut out. Put a slot in the pipe and banged that in there and welded it around it. Excuse the welds. This is my first attempt at a welding project. I had a Harbor Freight AC welder that was not the best when it came to aesthetic qualities of the weld, I would say. A couple of 1/4 inch pieces put on here, one on each side. This fin looking arrangement here is a later addition. What would happen is when I would get the logs on there and pull them down, it would come back so fast that it would just hit the handle and flip the handle back on me. So I use that as kind of a stop. It's pretty effective. It's better than it was before. At the end I made some additions also. In the beginning I just had the hook that would come down. Just pretty much meet there, and I was using that to grab the log, but sometimes the logs would roll out. They go down there, they would just roll out over here. So what I did was I took another piece of pipe, cut it down, made a sort of a 2 shape on it. Hope that's focusing on that. Made sort of a 2 shape on it and just welded that on, along with a little support for it up on top and into the middle. That's very effective. I've been using it now for a couple years. Painted it red, of course, so when you put it down in the woods you can always find it. Before I painted it, it was a dark black, almost rusty brown kind of thing. I lost it a couple of times. I'm out here late in the evening sometimes when it's getting dark. But that's it. There's all surplus pipe that I had laying around. Took a heating system out of the house and put forced air in, so I have tons of this black pipe. Plus I do have some fittings left over from my son's skateboard rail. So that's it. It works good for me.